Hi everybody, I made Bang Bang chicken skewers and it's all about the sauce, and this is such an easy sauce to make and it comes out so good. So first I got 2 chicken breasts. It ended up being a little over 1.5 pounds, and I cut them into strips and then I cut them into chunks. Don't cut your chunks too big because we're going to make skewers. So after I cut my chicken, I'm going to put it in a bowl. Now I'm going to add a little bit of oil and some spices. Now I'm going to mix everything together and make sure everything is coated. Now I'm going to use some wooden skewers. These are wooden, so you're supposed to soak them in water for about a half hour before using them. I also cut them down so that they can fit my air fryer. But you can cook them any way you want. Now I'm going to make my chicken skewers. I have a plate off to the side, and as I'm making my chicken skewers, I'm going to lay them down on the plate. Now I'm going to make my sauce. I'm using Kupee mayonnaise, but you can use regular mayonnaise if you want. Kupee mayonnaise is a Japanese mayonnaise. You can find it in an Asian market, but you can use regular mayonnaise. I'm also using sweet chili sauce and chili garlic sauce. And that's it for this sauce. It makes the chicken taste really good. And that's it. 3 ingredients. I could not believe how good this tastes on the chicken. Then I gave it a good mix to combine. And I separated just a little bit so that I could brush it on as I go. Now I am going to cook these in my air fryer. So my air fryer is going to be sprayed inside with the nonstick cooking spray. And then I'm going to set it air fry 400 degrees for 20 minutes, and I'm going to flip them halfway. While my air fryer is preheating, I'm going to brush some of that delicious sauce all over my skewers. I'm also going to chop up a green onion really small for garnish. My air fryer is preheated, and so I'm going to add my chicken skewers. 4 chicken skewers fit perfectly in my air fryer. Now I'm going to start the cooking process, and at the halfway mark, I'm going to add just a little more sauce, and I'm going to flip them all over and add more sauce to the other side as well. And then I'm going to continue to cook them. And when they are finished, voila! I'm telling you, these are really, really good. Then I added just a little more sauce and green onion, and I'm telling you, these come out so good. I really, really like these. So these are Bang Bang chicken skewers. If you try it, I know you'll love it. Thanks for watching.